my billionaire family, welcome back. Today's tutorial is something very simple. So I divided this gele by 2, that is 50-50 ratio equal. So I just take it back and cross it. Now I bring the both hands together, then just look at the way I'm just twisting it. After that, I'll be creating like a rose there. Please just manage all this gele for me, sisters. I will try my possible best. I'll try and do better gele, but I don't just want to know to upload anything, so please just manage all this gele for me. So this gele is something that is very easy. You can tie to your Owambe parties or to church. So let me know at the comment section if you want me to do a DIY gele on this style, because this gele is something that is very simple. I see something similar like this on T-Boy gele on Instagram, so I say okay, let me do it. So just look at the way I'm just rolling the. So this gele is something that is very easy. It's not something that is hard. So I'll be using office pen to pin it down there. So please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page at glambeauty30, and please comment on my video. I will really appreciate that, and share my video with your loved ones. And please don't skip apps. So that is what we are using to sustain. Please, God will bless you, my beautiful billionaire family. Please don't skip apps. I'm begging you, please don't skip apps. So that is it about the gele. I love you, and I will talk to you in my next tutorial. Bye.